Why you need at least 25,000 Kaspa coins. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to speak for our typical update around what's happening with the Kaspa price since yesterday, where we are standing from a rank position, what's going on with the hash rate, with addresses. We're gonna see all of these things, some technical analysis, and then guys, at the end we're gonna speak why you need at least 25,000 Kaspa coins, and that's a number which is a must for every Kaspa investor. Anyway, on this video we're about to see all of these things, so if you're interested to know all of these things and also the latest news, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And if you're guys Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa investor or Kaspa holder, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa, the latest news into the market. I educate you and I inform you daily around the Kaspa, so it's very beneficial to have a subscribe to my channel. And also guys, do not forget to check my Patreon group because here you're about to find my private Telegram community where guys we are growing, and I'm very glad for that. We are approximately 30 people close, and I'm very happy for this beautiful community that we are building on. And on that Patreon group guys, you're gonna have access to my Telegram community where you're gonna be able to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me there absolutely everything. I'm gonna be there for you anytime in any emergency. And also in that group we have got some multimillionaires, some guys with very high experience in the crypto space, and all together we are working like a team. We are helping each other. And also you're about to find my crypto portfolio. I'm full transparent. You're about to see how I handle my crypto portfolio after all of this experience that I've got since 2016 as an investor. And obviously you're about to find my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in a real time. And in a general, if you're looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you. And I'm waiting to see you there, especially if you're a Kaspa investor. Without losing more time, let's get straight into the video and start our typical update with a price and with a rank of Kaspa. Guys, Kaspa today is at 0.038 cents. We actually didn't went straight for the big double bottom that I was expecting, but we are going for a small double bottom, which I'm gonna discuss you in a few. Price, as I told you, 0.038 cents. The rank is still under top 50 coins, and more specifically is 48. And as you understand, this is very impressive, and I'm telling you that because guys, Kaspa is moving into the upside. We have got more adoption to the Kaspa, more time on hands, more real investors behind Kaspa. That's why the market cap cannot drop so fast into lower numbers like the pumps and dabs that's happening into other coins, because guys, Kaspa is actually backed by real investors, and you have to realize that Kaspa is standing close to 1 billion market cap without any major big top tier exchange behind. And that's very massive, because when these exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Crypto.com, Gemini, when all of these exchanges will enter, Kaspa guys will be in a very high market cap level. I'm expecting from 2 billion minimum up to 5 or even 6 billion in the bear market. It's gonna shock the world when we are about to see these exchanges incorporating and investing on Kaspa. Anyway, from the current hash rate, we are still at 14 petahash per second, which is very good. And for those who don't know, the hash rate is increasing every day due to the arrivals of ASICs to the miners. Until September, until the end days of September, we're about to see that all ASICs are gonna be arrived, and we're gonna have the final all-time high hash rate. And I'm expecting to see guys at that point approximately 20 to 30 petahash per second, the hash rate, which equals into more healthy network. Okay, and also guys, I would like to show you that from the top addresses, Mixi is again in the first position, exactly as I told you before a couple of days when we saw Mixi disappeared. When Mixi wallet disappeared yesterday, I received a message from a guy who is working into Mixi, and I got close contact with him, and he told me that do not worry, this is something that we do very occasionally, like we split out the funds of Kaspa into multiple wallets, and a couple hours later I saw that they accumulated these Kaspa coins back to the same wallet. So you can clearly see that Mixi is starting back with the first position with the biggest bag of Kaspa, 3.7%, and that's equals to 755 million Kaspa coins. And I believe that from time to time we're about to see Mixi at 1 billion and above. We're gonna see Mixi back in the Aquaman category. And guys, the reason of that is because Mixi took interview from the core team of the Kaspa when actually they invested in Kaspa. So that means that they understand fully what Kaspa is going to achieve. That's why they're buying like maniacs. Okay, we're speaking for millions. Mixi right now has approximately $13 million into Kaspa, and that's a lot. And imagine how much when Binance will understand and Coinbase will understand what Kaspa is and where it's heading, how much they're gonna buy. If Mixi and KuCoin got approximately 1 billion, okay, you can clearly see also KuCoin has got very close to 1 billion. Even Get.io got very big bag. Imagine how big amount of Kaspa Binance and Coinbase will buy. It's gonna be astonishing, okay? And the maximum supply of Kaspa, guys, is only 28 billion Kaspa coins. So in that case, if Mixi and KuCoin got close to 2 billion, imagine how much the Binance and the Coinbase will have. The number is gonna be very, very impressive. I believe minimum 2 billion Kaspa coins are gonna be held by Binance. Anyway, that's for another subject. Guys, let's go into the technicals, because here you're about to see that Mixi is moving into a lower price. We are approximately at 0.038 cents, and as I have told you, if we won't actually move into this upturn movement and we're going to get back to 0.037 cents or 0.035 cents, at that area we're going to have a beautiful double bottom, a smaller double bottom that I was expecting for, and with a top level the 0.042 cents, which means that if we're gonna reach the 0.036 cents, 0.035 cents, or 0.037 cents, and we see a reversal from that point, then we're gonna have a beautiful double bottom. And if we're gonna break this massive resistance, then Kaspa would have a technical price target approximately the 0.048 cents, which is a very possible target to happen. So let's see how Kaspa will move today. We have 6 more hours to close this candle. I believe that maybe we're gonna move with this double bottom. Let's see. Very interesting. And let's get, guys, into the topic of the video, and I'm gonna close the video here. Why you need at least 25,000 Kaspa coins. Guys, as you can clearly see here in the converter, into the Kaspa converter, 25,000 Kaspa coins equals to approximately $1,000. Okay, let's say $1,000 to say that more clear. Guys, this 25,000 Kaspa is something that I believe everyone can buy. Okay, no matter how poor you are, $1,000 is something that I believe you can accumulate over a period of time. The 25,000 Kaspa coins, I mean. Even with DCA, very slow DCA, like you are buying $50 a month or whatever, you can accumulate 25,000 Kaspa coins in the distant future. So, why 25,000 is a must, and why even 25,000 can change your life? Guys, if you think that right now we are standing at 788 million market cap, and Kaspa has a potential to reach at least 100 billion up to 200 billion, and I believe, guys, that this range is very healthy and very conservative prediction. Okay, 100 billion to 200 billion. When big financial institutions, when the elites like Michael Saylor, like big guys with billions, understand what Kaspa is going to achieve and what Kaspa actually is, they're gonna invest heavily. They're gonna buy crazy amounts of Kaspa coins, and that's gonna drive the price a lot up. And I believe that we're gonna see lots of adoption in the first bull run of Kaspa, because we're about to see crazy amount of trillions dollars. It's estimated approximately 10 trillion to come into the bull run of 2025. So I believe that when Bitcoin can reach up to 2 to 3 to 5 trillion in a market cap, that Kaspa is going to be easy to 200, even more than 200. But let's say the 200 because it sounds more conservative. The 100 billion to 200 billion, it sounds more conservative. Guys, that's gonna bring you back approximately $100,000, the minimum, up to $200,000, and that's insane. And to see 200x in your Kaspa is not so crazy because the market cap will get approximately at that time at 150 billion market cap, not even the 200 billion market cap. If you reach the 200 billion market cap, you're about to do more than 200x, and you're probably gonna get close to $250,000 only with that amount. And if you ask me, Chris, this sounds crazy, why this is possible? Guys, because we are early. This is why it's possible. Because when Kaspa is gonna get to 10 billion and all people are gonna get FOMO at that price, Kaspa won't bring you at that point that crazy return in the short term, okay, in the bull run of 2025. But obviously, even in 10 billion market cap, if you buy Kaspa in the long run of the 2029, 2033, Kaspa will also bring you crazy return because Kaspa is the digital silver. We're about to use Kaspa for everyday transaction, for whatever transaction you can imagine, because it's the most efficient monetary system, and it's exactly the vision of the Satoshi Nakamoto, exactly how he envisioned this new monetary system, which is going to be fair for everyone and it's going to be accessible for everyone. Okay, peer-to-peer transactions, plus at that point we're going to have smart contracts, d-apps that's going to help the people to integrate payments with Kaspa. And I believe that only Kaspa can achieve this new monetary system level. It's far better than Ethereum, especially the time that we're going to implement the smart contracts too. Kaspa won't have absolutely any kind of competition because Kaspa, even at that point, is even more efficient than Ethereum. Ethereum is superior than Kaspa because it's only have the smart contracts. If you actually remove the smart contracts of Ethereum and compare Kaspa with Ethereum, Kaspa is far better even with the Ghost Duck protocol. When we're about to see the hard forks of Kaspa, the Dark Knight protocol and the Rust language into the mainnet, guys, the competition is gonna be very funny. You are about to see Kaspa 100 steps forward than the rest cryptos. Even Ethereum is gonna be very behind of Kaspa. Okay, at least 100 steps back. Anyway, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. This is why you need at least 25,000 Kaspa coins. Even at that amount, gonna change your life. Whatever up from that amount, it's gonna bring you massive wealth. Even at 2025, okay. If you buy far less than that, you will have to wait a little bit longer for price appreciation. But whatever Casper you buy, it's a very great as a return because we are early. Okay, if you buy later, you won't have that crazy return. Also, if you are interested, guys, to buy Kaspa, and also if you are interested to where I store my Kaspa, here is where you should buy. Here is where I store my Kaspa. The cold storage that I use is the Tadem wallet. You're gonna have a discount code with a CryptoChris, or by clicking the link here, you're gonna get straight with my discount code. You're gonna have the discount applied immediately. You won't have to put anything here. And from the exchange that I buy and I recommend you to buy is the Mix Exchange. You're gonna have here 10% fees discount. And guys, obviously I would like to mention you that when you buy from an exchange, I recommend you immediately after that purchase of Kaspa coins to withdraw into your Tadem wallet or the cold storage of your preference. My preference is the Tadem wallet. And also for the traders, I have got very great bonus. If you enter through my link, you can get up to 20,000 dollars in a bonus. If you are a trader and you know how to do the leverage trading, you're gonna have like a gift up to $20,000, but it's something that I don't recommend to anyone to go to trade with leverage Kaspa. That's only for the very professional traders, but if you are a professional trader and you are watching my video, you can get that high bonus if you enter through my link. This is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.